Hey guys, it's Paul from Online Sax Academy, and today's lesson we're doing Like Someone in Love for beginners, intermediates and advanced level players. So before we get started, you can get yourself the PDF of the beginner version in the free library, and that's available at onlinesaxacademy.com. And the intermediate and advanced level transcriptions, along with the performance and backing tracks, are available in the premium library. So Like Someone in Love is a really great standard, originally written in 1944. There are lots of really great recordings of this tune to check out. Notable sax players that have done this tune are Stan Getz in 1956 on the Steamer album, and John Coltrane in 1958 on his album Lush Life. For the beginner version, we're taking it a nice steady 90 BPM. We're just going once through the melody with some added decorations and variations. For the intermediate and advanced version, we've also got that decorated melody, but plus we have about a half to 3/4 of a chorus of solo before coming back to the melody at the end. Okay, so here's the beginner version. Okay, next up we have the intermediate solo. I've tried to keep the language fairly simple, not using too many alterations to the chords, and using lots of chord tones as well. There's quite a lot of chords in this tune, but you can find some really nice pathways through the chords by linking to like the nearest chord tones. Alright, so here's the intermediate version. And finally, we've got the advanced version. I'm using a few more triplety rhythms, and it's also a little bit faster at 130 BPM. So remember to head to the memberships at onlinesaxacademy.com, and by becoming a premium member you'll have unlimited access to everything that's in the premium library, including all the PDFs and backing tracks for this video, but all other previous videos I've done as well. And along with this you'll have access to all the lessons that are on the courses page and in the forum as well. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future lessons, and I'll see you all next week.